everyone, welcome back to my channel Magic Fly. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video I am going to be reviewing the PAC eyebrow kits, the difference between both the kits and which one you should go for if you are planning to buy a eyebrow kit. So I have used both of them for quite a long time and I have my reviews to share. So I really hope this video would help you in choosing which one is the best and which one you should be choosing as per your requirements. So without further ado, let's get started. So first I would like to share with you the packaging of both the palettes. As you can see, this is a smaller one. This is a powder palette from PAC and this is a palette which has powder as well as gel. Okay, so this is the difference in the packaging. This is very small as compared to this. So first I went ahead with this. I have used it for almost 2 years and more than that, and then I went ahead with this purchase because I really wanted to try a gel powder form for eyebrows. So this comes with 3 colors. As you can see, one of them is broken because I dropped it and it just came off. So this is how the palette looks like. It has a black color over here which is totally useless because we don't apply black shade on our eyebrows ever. This is a very light brown, cool tone brown kind of a shade, and then this is a brown shade which is mostly used for doing the eyebrows, and it comes with a very nice brush also. As you can see, this is how the brush looks like and you can easily fill your eyebrows with this. I have been so used to with using this palette that I really love using this palette. Still there is so much of product, you can see, because this is an amazing palette. First and second, this requires minimal product. Like, you just have to touch your brush and then you can do your eyebrows very easily. You don't have to take a lot of product, which is the best part. And I think this retails for 450 rupees and it is a total worth. And if you are someone who doesn't have like a lot of thin eyebrows, you can definitely go for this one. Like, if you're someone who has bushy eyebrows or thick eyebrows, you can just go ahead with this because you don't need a lot of product. So you can just go with this powder palette from PAC. And this is the second one which I have with me. As you can see, there are 4 shades in this, and this is in the shade 01 Arc My Brow. The name is mentioned over here, and I think this retails for 795 if I'm not wrong. And I got this on a sale. Like, PAC keeps on having their sales of 15% or 10%. You can definitely find this on discount. So this is how it looks like. I really like the packaging, and it again has 4 shades. Like, these are the 2 gel shades and these are the 2 powder shades. All the shades are workable, all the shades are amazing for Indian skin tone, and it comes with a beautiful brush. The difference between the brushes, that one didn't have a spoolie, this one has a spoolie also. So very convenient. Today I have done my eyebrows with this palette only. What I did was I used this shade to fill in my eyebrows because my eyebrows are very thin and very sparse, and then I applied this gel product on my eyebrows to fix them, to set them, because sometimes I like to do my eyebrows very sharp and sometimes I like to keep them very natural. So what you have to do is, when you take this gel product into the brush, don't apply it directly on your eyebrows because that will give you a very stark look. Do one thing, just take it on the brush and then you can take it on your hand and use the product from there. So that ways your eyebrows will look really nice. So my suggestion would be, if you're someone who has very thin eyebrows like me and you like to do good eyebrows, you are someone who applies makeup, like, eyebrows is something that changes your makeup game. So I would highly recommend you. This gel is really amazing. So I would highly recommend, if you don't have any budget issues and you are looking for an amazing eyebrow kit, or if you're a professional makeup artist also, you can definitely invest in this. So both the palettes are really nice and you can invest accordingly as per your needs. And if you will see, the product in this palette is quite less and the product in this palette is quite huge. Like, you are getting 2 gels in this palette and you are getting only 3 shades, out of which 1 is black, which is not at all of any use. So yes, this is the must-have palette, I would say. And if I have to rebuy a palette from PAC, I would be going ahead with this one only because this is really amazing. So yeah, I really hope this review helped you, and if it did, please don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and if you're watching me for the very first time, please do consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay blessed. Bye bye.